Hey, this is Manny Fresh with another tutorial. Today I'll be showing you guys how to install custom themes on Windows 10. So there's two type of themes that you could download and install. There's the first one, which are provided by Windows, and the second one, which are customized themes that you could find online to install them. And it changes the UIs, it changes the coloring, and it changes the icons, and it changes all of that. So I'm gonna show you first how to install a regular Windows theme. What you could do is you could go here on type here to search and put in themes, and you're gonna find here themes and related settings. I currently have this Naruto theme that I downloaded online, and if you don't have anything here on the change theme, if you have the basics themes, what you could do is you could click on get more themes in Microsoft Store. In here you could go down the list and find a new theme that you want to install. Now keep in mind that these themes only change the background and maybe the color of your Windows taskbar here. But let me just go ahead and pick one so I can show you how to install them. So let's say you like this theme here. You double click on the theme and you're gonna see this here come up, and then make sure it's a free theme, and then you click on get, and then you click on install. It's gonna download the theme, and then what you could do here is you could actually apply it from here, and it should have changed the theme. If it didn't change the theme, then you're gonna see it down here on the change themes, and you could just click on the theme, and if I minimize everything, you're gonna see the theme installed. Alright, so that's the Windows themes. If you want to install a custom theme, then I'm gonna show you how to do that too. So to install a custom theme, you need something called Ultra UX Theme Patcher. This is a program that modifies your system files so that your third-party themes could work. So I'm gonna leave the link here on the description. Basically, you download the patcher, and it's gonna look for, or you're looking to downloads, you're gonna see this file here called Ultra UX Theme Patcher 3.6.3 as of this video. You double click, and then you go through the installation, and they recommend before you install it to actually create a restore point. So to create a restore point, you just basically put in restore point here, and then you could go click your drive. If you go to configure, you gotta make sure that the system protection is on. Your max usage is maybe 10-15%. And then what you do is you go ahead and click on create, and then you give it a name, before theme install. So basically they want you to create a restore point in case something happens when you install your third-party theme. And this will allow you to, if Windows crashes, you could go back and restore Windows with this restore point. I suggest you do that. Okay, once you create your restore point, you can go ahead and install the theme patcher here. I already installed it, so basically you click next, accept to the terms, and it's gonna ask you to restart your computer. So go ahead and restart it. So now that you restarted your computer, what you need to do is you need to find your custom theme. And I find my themes on this website here called DeviantArt, and you could just put in Windows 10 like that, and then it will give you a lot of designers themes that they post for free. I already downloaded one of them. It's called Spacewalk, and some of them they put in the Windows version that you need to be on in order for it to work. So if you go to the Windows here and you right click and go to System, under Windows specifications, you're gonna see your Windows version 1909. That's the one I have. So this one is saying that it's compatible up to 1903. I'm still gonna go ahead and try to install it. So let's assume that you already got the theme. What you wanna do now is you wanna extract the contents, and what you wanna do is most of the themes are gonna have a folder and this Windows theme icon. You wanna go ahead and copy that. And then you're gonna go to your PC settings or your this PC here, go to your C drive, and then you go to Windows, then you look for resources, and then you look for themes. What you wanna do is, I already pasted here, so let me just go ahead and do that again. You paste those files, and this is basically the icons, and then this is what you will select to install the new theme. Now, a lot of people make a mistake where they, instead of copying these two things, they actually copy this folder. And if you do that, it's not gonna work. So you need to copy what's inside that folder there. So once you copy that to the resources themes folder, then you need to go back to control panel, or you could just put in theme and related settings. And what's gonna happen is you're gonna go down here and find your custom theme, and mine's called Spacewalk. So I'm gonna click that, and then it should have applied the theme. And as you can see, I already have a custom bar here for Firefox. I have a custom UI icon here, custom color, and I'm not too sure about the wallpaper, but if you look around here, it looks like it changed Windows the way that it was meant to do it. So again, I'm sure the wallpaper didn't change because I don't have Windows 1903. But if you do have a compatible version, this should work just fine. Again, thank you for watching. If you have any issues installing your theme, leave your comment below and please subscribe to my channel.